All right, so today I'm going to show you how to connect a USB flash drive to your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Now, if you have a modern Type C USB flash drive, just plug it into the Type C port of your phone. But if you have one of these older ones, then you do need an adapter. So this is an OTG adapter with a Type C connector that goes into the phone, and then full-size USB port where you plug in your USB flash drive, right? So let's plug everything in. So I've just plugged in the flash drive to the adapter, and then now the adapter with the flash drive into the Type C port of the Pixel, just like that. Okay, so now to access, simply swipe up and go to the Files app. That's the Google Files app that should be available on literally every Pixel phone. And then now you can go to the All Storage section at the bottom there, and then you can see our disk has been detected. So you can tap on that, and then these are the files and folders inside my USB flash drive, right? So I can access any folder. For instance, I can open that, and I can even transfer files and folders from the phone to the USB flash drive, or from the USB flash drive to the phone. So just long press, select what you want, and then tap on the three dots, and then select either move or copy. All right, so for instance, if I want to copy, then I'll choose where I want to copy, which is my internal storage, maybe in the documents folder, and then tap on copy here, and those two files are gonna get copied like that. Okay, so that's basically how to connect a USB flash drive to your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro, and also transfer some files. Thanks for watching. Good luck.